How do I execute a program from Python? os.system fails due to spaces in path. I have a Python script that needs to execute an external program, but for some reason fails. If I have the following script, then it fails with the following error. C:1. If I escape the program with quotes, then it works. However, if I add a parameter, it stops working again. What is the right way to execute a program and wait for it to complete? I do not need to read output from it, as it is a visual program that does a job and then just exits, but I need to wait for it to complete. Also note, moving the program to a non-spaced path is not an option either. This does not work either. Note the swap single/double quotes. With or without a parameter to notepad here, it fails with the error message. The file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect.
Subprocess.call will avoid problems with having to deal with quoting conventions of various shells. It accepts a list, rather than a string, so arguments are more easily delimited, i.e.,
Here's a different way of doing it. If you're using Windows, the following acts like double-clicking the file in Explorer, or giving the file name as an argument to the .start command. The file is opened with whatever application, if any, its extension is associated with. Example. This will open text file.txt with Notepad if Notepad is associated with text files.
The outermost quotes are consumed by Python itself, and the Windows shell doesn't see it. As mentioned above, Windows only understands double quotes. Python will convert / to backslashes on Windows, so you can use the is consumed by Python, which then passes C://temp/abc/notepad.x as a Windows path, no double backslashes needed, to cmd.x.
At least in Windows 7 and Python 3.1, os.system in Windows wants the command line double quoted if there are spaces in path to the command. For example, a real-world example that was stumping me was cloning a drive in VirtualBox. The subprocess.call solution above didn't work because of some access rights issue, but when I double quoted the command, os.system became happy.